So I'm back with another follow-up video of the mini Jumpstart breakfast that I made for my family. Again, they are starting out with banana slices and also some yellow apple chunks. And also they're going to be enjoying a bacon maple bundt style biscuit and then also rotisserie chicken biscuits. And so actually what I did was when I made up the biscuit mix, I just separated out some into two different bowls because I wanted to make two different kinds. And what was included within the mix was sour cream, also some ghee. But in the one that I did with the rotisserie chicken is that I cut up the rotisserie chicken and then added a little bit of chicken flavored better than bouillon into the mix, and then just added a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder in there and just mixed it up. And then with the bacon maple, what I did is I have a Mini-Bundt pan and I gheed that down, and actually no, I sprayed that with olive oil spray and then put a little bit of healthy maple syrup within there. And within the mix for this particular one, it had some maple syrup in the mix and then also bacon that was in there. And so then once I had gheed it, I keep saying I gheed it, but I didn't. Actually, I sprayed it and then put a little bit of maple syrup down in there. Then I placed the biscuit mix in there so that it could, come out as a bundt style. And there's actually a maple glaze that they're going to put on it themselves. And so also what I did for what you can see is a glaze on top of the rotisserie chicken biscuits is that in a skillet I put in some butter and I put in a little bit of heavy whipping cream and also some of the better than bouillon, the chicken flavor, and just made a quick little butter sauce with that. And so they've already actually done some samples, and so they were very adamant that I would come and do a video. So I wanted to come back and do another video because I realized in the other follow-up video I didn't actually talk about how I made the bacon maple bundt style biscuit. So yeah, I just wanted to be able to come back and do a feature. As I always say to you all, I show you things that I do for my family, and even though I do have a culinary background, I also try to feature things that are not too fancy, so to speak, because a lot of people can be intimidated to cook, and really just getting in and doing a little something. You don't have to be a culinary authority or so to actually do something nice, not just every once in a while, even if you want to do this kind of on a daily basis. But so I like to provide simple recipes and just different features, for different levels of cooks and wanting to inspire others as well. Just things you can do for yourself or for your family. So again, just showing you just some simple plating here, and just allowing you just to be part of my world as well. So I will be back with more videos soon.